My name is Amdenomi, and this is handout number 16. Number 1 is an example of selection sorting as you are selecting the lowest value and switching it with the first position, and you are selecting the next smallest value and then switching it with the second position. You are selecting values and switching it with the select position that you want. Now, in order to start this out, we need to find the smallest value in this list, 0, and we need to swap it with the first position, 8. So we swap it like this, 0, 8, 5, 4, 2, 6, 1, 3. That is the new array. Now we find the next smallest value, 1, and swap it with the second position, and the new array is as follows, 0, 1, 8, 5, 4, 2, 6, 3. And now this method keeps on going and going until we have a list that is from least to greatest. Now, the next one, we find the next smallest value, 2, and swap it with the third position, 8. 0, 1, 2, 8, 5, 4, 6, 3. And again, 0, 1, 2, 3, 8, 5, 4, 6. And then again, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 5, 6. And again, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 6. And then finally, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. And then this is a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and then next smallest keeps on going down as you are consistently finding the next smallest value. Now, the second one is an example of insertion sorting. The first item is a sorted sublist of one item. The second item is inserted into the sorted sublist by shifting the first item as needed to make room to insert the new addition. The third item is inserted into the sublist of two items, shifting items as necessary. The insertion is repeated until all values are inserted into proper positions. Now first, you need to check if the first value if the second value is greater than the first or less than the first. If it is less than the first, it moves to the front. 5, 8, 4, 2, 6, 0, 1, 3. Now you need to check if the third value is greater than the first value. If it is, then it moves to the front. 4, 5, 8, 2, 6, 0, 1, 3. And this continues until we have another list that is from least to greatest. So we check if the fourth value is greater than the first, is less than the first value. If it is less than the first value, it moves to the front. 2, 4, 5, 8, 6, 0, 1, 3. Now we check if the fifth value is less than or greater than the front, and it is not, and it is actually greater than the front, so it does not move to the front. However, it is greater. Now we need to check if it is greater than or less than the second one. It is greater than. Now we move on to the third one. It is greater than. Now we move on to the fourth one. It is less than. Therefore, we move it to the fourth position. 5, 6, 8, 0, 1, 3. Now, so on. We check the sixth position. It is less than 2. So 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 1, 3. Again, 1, not less than 0, but it is less than 2, so it moves to the second position of the array. 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 3. And then finally, not less than 0, not less than 1, not less than 2, but 3 is less than 4. Therefore, it moves to the fourth position. in this, we checked fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. As we checked the second position to see if it was greater or less than the third position, then the fourth, then the fifth, then the sixth, then the seventh, then the eighth, and that was the end of the array.